Hello friends, you are on the Home Tips channel. In this video I will show you why you need to pour vinegar into the toilet. The advice is very simple and will help solve a fairly common problem. The ingredients we need are available, so anyone can make this. Take a spray bottle and pour 100 ml of warm water into it. Then measure out 100 ml of vinegar and add it to the water. The last thing we need is salt. Pour 2 tablespoons into a spray bottle. Close the spray and stir well. The salt needs to dissolve completely, otherwise the spray will clog. The toilet is the most visited place in the house, so it needs to be cleaned regularly. And it is not enough to wash the toilet only inside. The lid, seat and bowl outside also need to be kept clean, otherwise an unpleasant smell cannot be avoided. And the cleaning agent we made is perfect for cleaning all this. Start with the toilet tank. Move from top to bottom so as not to miss anything, and in this way completely spray the toilet. Spray all the joints and hard-to-reach places well. If you know how, it is better to remove the toilet seat and clean it separately. To do this, put it in the bathtub, spray it with the cleaning agent, leave it for a while, then rinse it under warm water and wipe it dry. I spray the rim of the toilet, and be sure to spray the outside of the toilet bowl well. If you see that there is some dirt on the tile around the toilet, you can spray it with this solution too. If you have a rusty strip in your toilet like I do, stick some toilet paper on it and pour vinegar on it. I have some cleaning agent left, so I unscrew the spray head and pour it into the toilet. If you run out of the solution, pour vinegar inside the toilet. Done! Now leave it like this for at least 30 minutes. If you have time, leave it for 2 hours or better yet, overnight. After half an hour you can start cleaning the toilet. To do this, fill the spray bottle with warm water, spray the toilet and wipe it with paper towels. I don't spray the entire toilet at once, but in parts. First I wash the toilet tank, then the lid and seat, and finally the bowl and floor. Warm water will help wash away the cleaning agent, and a jet of water from a spray bottle will perfectly wash away all dirt from hard-to-reach places. As for the cleaning agent itself, vinegar and salt are excellent for disinfecting the toilet. They help to clean it from natural dirt, limescale, yellowness, and perfectly eliminate unpleasant odors. When it's time for the toilet bowl, I remove the toilet paper, spray the rim with water and wipe it with a paper towel. To clean the inside of the toilet, I pour a little dish soap into it. I have hard water, so my plumbing gets coated pretty quickly. This cleaning product with vinegar cleans everything perfectly. The toilet becomes smooth, clean and shiny after cleaning. If the rusty strip in your toilet was more serious and didn't come off, then watch the video that appeared in the tip. In it I explained in detail how to get rid of it. Look how white the toilet became after cleaning. So if you want to clean the toilet and get rid of the unpleasant smell in the toilet, make the cleaning agent that I told you about and pour vinegar into the toilet. I hope you liked these tips. Like the video and subscribe to my channel. Thanks everyone for watching. See you in other videos.